Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Smartsheet formula automation for reporting, beginner guide step by step clearly. To set up Smartsheet formula automation for reporting, begin by logging into your Smartsheet account. Select the sheet you want to automate. Ensure your data is well organized with clear labels for each column. Identify the specific data points you need for your report. Decide on the formula you want to use, based on the information you need. Click on the cell where you want the formula to appear. Type the equals sign to start creating your formula. Enter the function you need, such as sum, average, or if. Refer to other cells in your sheet by clicking on them as you build your formula. Press Enter to apply the formula and view the results. If you need to copy the formula to other cells, click and drag the fill handle in the corner of the cell. Next, set up automation by clicking on the automation menu at the top of your Smartsheet. Select Manage Workflows to create a new automation. Click on the plus New Workflow button to start. Choose a trigger for your automation, like when a row is added or changed. Specify the conditions for the automation to activate based on your reporting needs. Add an action, such as sending a notification or updating a cell. Configure the message or updates that should happen when the automation runs. Save your workflow settings, ensuring everything is correctly set up. Test the automation by triggering it through a specific action on your sheet. Check to ensure the results reflect the correct formulas and actions you specified. Adjust any formulas or automation settings as needed to improve accuracy. Regularly review the automation to keep it aligned with changes in your reporting requirements. Now, you are equipped to set up formula automation in Smartsheet for effective reporting. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.